Hello, class. This is the spelling list for list number 2 for April 19th, 2018. First, make sure you selected your name from the list. After you hear the word, pause the video so you can type it. You can also rewind the video to hear the word again. Do your best. Here we go. Number 1. Try. Try. I will try my very best. Number 2. Just. Just. She just loves peanut butter. Number 3. Were. Were. We were at the park. Number 4. Flew. Flew. The butterfly flew into the sky. Number 5. Know. Know. Do you know him? Number 6. Dried. Dried. The paint dried on my picture. Number 7. Bright. Bright. The sun is very bright. Number 8. Cried. Cried. My baby brother cried because he was hungry. Number 9. Fancy. Fancy. My sister wore a fancy dress. Number 10. Knight. Knight. The brave knight saved the princess. Those were the words for this week. Great job, everybody. See you next time.